look like Mulan. My face isn't doing so hot. Hey guys, what's up? It's Megan. Today I'm going to be showing you, I don't know what to call this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's a full face using all drugstore products, mainly Revlon's products. I use like 3 or 4 that aren't Revlon. And then I'm also going to show you how to cover up redness, like red spots or just like any red pigmentation around your face using drugstore products. I hope you enjoy. So the Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to use a clean packing brush to apply this. And then I'm going to set that with translucent powder and a blending brush. Okay, now that that's set, I'm going to go in with the Revlon Color Stay Palette Decadent. And it's just like pinky tones. They're just labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take number 3 in my crease. Then I'm going to take number 4 with just a flat shade brush and create a V on my outer edge. And I'm just packing the color where I want it, and then I'll go back and blend it out. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M433 brush and just blend it all out. And then taking a little bit more on my blending brush, I'm going to go back over it. I think I forgot to say this, but the eyeshadow primer is very like silky and creamy, which I liked. And then with another flat shade brush, I'm going to go in with the shade 1 and just cover my lid. And then back with my M433 brush, I'm just going to go back over the darker color and kind of blend the two together. Now I'm going in with the Revlon Color Stay Exactify Liquid Liner. This color is Sparkling Black. I thought it was a plum color when I got it, but guess not. It's like that, and then you open it up, and it's like, the best way I can describe it is a pizza cutter like wheel, but it's very mini. Yeah, like a little mini pizza cutter wheel. And since it's called Exactify, I'm sure it's like supposed to create super straight lines. I'm gonna try it on my hand first. Oh yeah, looks a little patchy, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm not gonna do a wing because I'll just mess everything up. I'm not used to this wheel, so I'm just gonna go over my lash line. I do like the idea of this because I know a lot of people, me included, have trouble like getting the perfect straight wing. But to like fill in, it's not, I don't know, like, it could do better, you know, but carrying on. So now I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Doll Eye mascara and coat my lashes a few times. Okay, so now I'm going to give my eyes a rest or a break and move on to my face really fast. As you can tell, I have a ton of red spots and pimples that I'm not proud of, but they're not gonna go away. And I got a little bit too much sun this weekend, so I have a lot of redness. So I'm going to go in with the Revlon Photo Ready color correcting pen, and I have the green shade to correct redness, and then this is like a peachy shade to kind of correct dark circles and stuff, like that color. Correct what I see, which is a lot right now. Okay, and then with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna lightly dab it into my skin. I don't wanna like completely take it away. Okay, so like this. Now I'm going in with the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter Foundation. This, because I did get tan, I went with the shade 210 Sand Beige, and I'm hoping it's gonna match. It's also a twisty thing and it comes up, and then it has like a sponge applicator, so I'm gonna try that and see how well that works. Just don't see it like working very well, unless I don't know, we'll see. Let's hope this actually looks like an Insta filter, because I could use it today. My face isn't doing so hot. Well, I guess it's easier, like just one tool. Oh my gosh. Okay, this sponge is very rough and not easy to blend stuff in, so I'm gonna go over with my beauty blender. I did not make a good call on this shade. Okay, it's washing me out way more in the camera than it is in real life. I look like Mulan. Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. Now I'm going to take my Superstay Maybelline concealer and just go under my eyes and maybe a little bit on my nose. I'm just gonna go on my cheekbones basically and my forehead. Then I'm gonna carve out my contour with the beauty blender and the translucent powder. I do like that it has an applicator tip though. It's kind of like filling in your brows and using brow gel at the same time. I think this might be my favorite thing. Okay, brows are done. Now for the last step. I'm going to be highlighting using the Revlon Photo Ready Sunlit Dream Palette. And those are the colors. I think I'm gonna mix these bottom two. And before I do that, I'm gonna spray my face with the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh Mist. And then I'm going to highlight with my fan brush and just a flat brush to get the smaller spots. Ooh. Okay, Revlon. I lied, that's not the last step. Next, I'm gonna be going in with, let me open it, using the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in the shade 505 Apricot or Apricot Silk. What do you guys say? Is it apricot or apricot? Because I actually say both. So I don't know. It's like a lip gloss tube kind of thing, but it's a cream and it's plumping, which I'm excited about. This is a little more pink than I thought it would be. Not too pink, but more pink than I thought. Ooh, I can feel the plumping. I like that. I like that. Okay, now the last step, I'm going to spray my face again with the setting spray. Lock it all in. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's it. This is the finished look. Overall impression of the Colorstay collection, it's like hit or miss. So I think some of these products are great and some of them not so much. My favorites were for sure, I'm doing it in order of top 5. the Brow Mousse #1. I like this highlighting palette a lot. It's like very good quality and, you know, not too pinky because they were like pinky shades. So #1, Brow Mousse. #2, highlighting palette. #3, the color corrector pens, just easy to use and like good quality. #4, I did like the foundation, like the formula. I picked a color too light for my skin. That was my fault. But I don't like the like sponge. I don't know if you're supposed to use this to like actually apply it like completely, or if you just, it's like a foundation brush that you just put it on your face and then you blend it out with your own tools, which is what I would suggest. And then my last favorite, just because I don't know how the setting spray necessarily works, I like the eyeshadow primer just because it's very silky and creamy. What I would save your money on is the eyeliner, unless you want like easy straight lines. It's good for that. You kind of have to go over them a few times, but it's not too terrible, but just gonna take a lot of like getting used to. The eyeshadow, I don't know, it's not very good pigmentation, but they're also like mostly shimmers, so you know, that's also hit or miss. Other than that, I did love those top 5 products that I shared with you. I guess I like the lip too. It's just, I mean, I like a lot of lips. I like easy to put on lips and like wearable and movable lips, so like I can rub my lips and it's not gonna like get crummy or anything. It's not a matte, and it's, I mean, it kind of feels plumping. I don't think it's gonna like make a huge difference in my lip. But yeah, so those are my thoughts on the Revlon Color Stay collection and their new Photo Ready collection as well. Cheaper and good quality, the better. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, also, if you guys want a tutorial on these braids, I might do it. I don't know. I really like them. This is my first time wearing them actually. And they were super easy to wear.
Drifting higher than the ceiling. Ooh, baby, it's the ultimate feeling. You got me lifted, feeling so gifted. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly? Ooh, sugar, how you get so fly?